Hey everybody, time for a little bathroom sink improvement here. I've got a sink drainer that was sent to me. This is in exchange for a product review video, so this is a sponsored video, but you can see that this thing is really nice. Let's see what we got here. This is my current one, and it's obviously pretty gross. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop this off here. This is one of the traditional ones that we have here, right? You pull the little lever up and down and it stops it, and sometimes it doesn't do a good job, and you can see this one's worn out. So this is definitely going to be an upgrade for me here. I'm going to pull this out. This is always gross. All right, now this one is nice. Look at this. Now it comes with some extra O-rings, rubber O-rings if you think you need them. Comes with some extra rubber O-rings right here, so you can try these if you need to. You might not need them, but you can see this right here. It's got a little basket underneath here to catch, hair, or if you even drop something down out of it. So this is easy to undo here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause this so I can get two hands on it. Here's the extra O-rings if you need them. I haven't tried it yet, but let's see. So you can see it's got a little pop top here. It just locks in place. Let's look underneath it real quick before we put it in here. It's got a little basket. So a couple of little hinges here. So we turn this and pull it out. So here's our little basket right here to catch hair, or if you drop, some jewelry or a ring or necklace or something, people drop. Also, what's cool about this design, other ones have the little basket to catch things, but this one, the bottom turns right here and you pull this out. We'll push it from the inside. There we go. So now, instead of trying to stick your finger in there to get it, you can take the bottom of it out too if you need to, okay? So that's a more improved design than some of the competitors that there are in this market. All right, so I'm going to push that back in, turn that like that, and use stainless, very nice. Look at that. High quality materials here, guys. Slide it back in and turn it. There we go. All right, stick it down here. Well, this is a little loose. I could see possibly adding one of those O-rings. I'm going to, so the water's coming through. I'm going to push it down. Okay. All right, so the water stopped. To let it out, just push the button. All right, and it drains right out. I'm gonna pull this out. I can see where it's not maybe as snug as it could be. So there may be a need for me to go ahead and use one of these extra O-rings here, rubber O-rings. All right, so I'm putting a bigger one on here to get a little better seal here. All right, let's see how that. Yeah, that's not as loose. It's not shaking as much. So I think that's going to work better for me. All right. All right, so water is stopped like it's supposed to be, and we let that out. Water drains out. Yeah, a couple little tiny little hairs in there. All right, very nice, very nice. And if we need to, right, we think we have to clean it, we twist it and open it up, like I showed you a second ago. So you determine what you need for your sink in your house. I think having the extra bigger washers on there is gonna work for me, but a really nice sink drainer, 3-in bathroom sink strainer and stopper, pop-up design, 3-in-1 innovative design. So if you are looking for one of these, I think this one probably suits your needs. Very nice upgrade for me. I'm excited about it.